Hello everyone. So today I have finally got the dash cam for my XCV300. So I ordered it from Woodman, and so I got the box in the morning and I have opened it. So this is the final unboxing video which I'm doing it. So the box. So I received the dash cam from Blue Dart, and this is what the packaging looks like. So it's a slider type box, and I must say that the packaging was quite nice and it was sturdy. So I have already opened it, and just to check if everything was good or not. So this is how we received the dash cam. There is a foam kind of a thing which has been kept on the top of the dash cam, and this is what a dash cam looks like. It looks quite premium. The build quality is also good. It supports all type of SD card up to 128 GB. So recommended is to use some good quality, good company or brand SD card. So I'm planning to buy Samsung one. So what it comes with is a adjustable lens. Right now it's not powered or it's not switched on, so I cannot move it. Other than that, it comes with 2.5K front camera, full HD back cam, 128 GB SD card, and a G-SOC sensor. So Woodman team has told me that the installation team will connect with me for the installation purpose. So here we put the SD card, and these are all the buttons. They're quite tactile. Yeah, so it got switched on. So this is what the dash cam looks like. Low battery. So right now it's not powered. So it got switched off because the battery was not charged, it was completely drained. So I'll keep it aside for just to check what else I've received from Woodman. So this is the rear camera. So I believe I will have to get a drill in my car to install it, and it's an adjustable type, so it depends how you will keep it, how you will fix it in your car. Okay, so and this is a wire. This is the hardwire kit which was free with the dash cam. It was 4 rupees. I think it was 2000, approximately 2000 rupees, and it was free, which is not free for in the other brand dash cam. And I will give you the review about the performance of this dash cam once the installation is done. So this is what I have right now. This is what it looks like. I think here is the speaker. Here we will put AV, USB, I don't know about these things. Yeah, so this is what I have, and here's the mic. So I hope the camera is good. When I was looking into the video when it got switched on, so it was very good. So yeah, thank you.